Hi guys, I'm like kind of nervous to film this just because I haven't filmed in a while, but hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Becky, and I don't really know what this video is, but this week is election week, and this week, I don't know, I was like really off this week. I was like very stressed, lots of anxiety, cried a lot, and I was sad a lot, which isn't the happiest things, but you know, it's life. It was one of those weeks where I just felt a lot of emotions. Obviously, the election had to do with part of it, but it wasn't just that. And instead of, you know, just like laying in my bed like I was, I decided to get ready and film my week, because honestly filming makes me very happy. Editing is very soothing and therapeutic for me. I got sent two packages, and one is from Parade, which is an underwear company, and I also got my monthly IPSY box, and these both are very big packages and I get excited getting packages, so I'm gonna open it in front of you guys and let's go. Oh, also, I painted my nails like this brown and this nude, and it's so bad. You can't tell, but I like did this 10 p.m. just because I was like, ew, my nails are so short. But yesterday I was staring at them and I was like, they look like nubs, like from the Shark Boy and Lava Girl, those like little finger minion bad guys. That's what it like looked like to me. So I was like, okay, I just gotta paint them. But then I slept, so then there was like a ton of like lines and like weird pressed on stuff. I'm just gonna choose to ignore it. But I also got these cool rings. I'll put them in the description box. They're from Sterling Place, and I got new earrings that I got to wear for the first time, so I guess I'll open up with Parade just because I'm excited. Okay. Ooh, there's like two little boxes in here. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, self-promo, I got to work with them on their last collection, which was the ice cream collection, and it was really exciting, and their stuff is so comfortable. All of my like underwear have like holes in them, and because like my long ass nails just like would rip them, and it was just like a mess. So I'm really grateful that they sent me these packages. This one is so cute. I don't know what this is. Wait, oh my god, this is a tarot deck. This is so cute. What? Wait, okay, no, let's just open this first. Color has the power to transform your mood. Warm colors increase energy, confidence, and optimism, while cool colors promote balance, hope, and healing. Select the pair that you're drawn to today. Guys, I didn't even know this was like the whole collection, and I really needed this because I just showed you like all my emotions and feeling lots of things. It's called Chromotherapy. They sent me two. This one is the high-rise thong in the color balloon. Ooh, juicy red. I like this color. It's cute. It's a thong. It's high-rise. So comfortable. And this one is the color block brief in the color block. Oh my god, this one's cute. Look at it. It has 3 colors. No, I'm blind. No, it does have 3 colors. It's super cute. Honestly, like when I hold them, it looks a little big, but then when I put them on, it like kind of fits. I feel like I could probably do an extra small too, so just look at the sizing. And let's open up this because I'm so excited. They're so cute. Oh no, okay, wait, I don't want to make a mess. This is so cute. I have no idea what to do with these cards, to be honest. If anyone like wants to hit me up and explain this, I'm very open to that, because there's like all these things and I don't know. Now for the big boy. So this is their November box, and if you don't know what IPSY is a subscription box, and you get either the IPSY Glam Bag or the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and I got both, but you guys can pick which one, and then you like pay monthly. It's like super cheap for like all these really cool dope products that are very expensive. I got like such killer things last month. I'll start with the IPSY Glam Bag, which comes in here, and this bag is so cute. Very cool colors, neutral colors, fall colors, whatever, you know. My expressions, like I can't hide my excitement. Tatcha. I love Tatcha. I'm just too poor for Tatcha. This is the Tatcha Deep Cleanser. And y'all, this is the first one. Oh my god. Okay. What else did I get? I got the Anastasia oh, I'm gonna put this in my armpit. I got the Anastasia lip gloss in the color Moon Jelly. I don't know what the color is, but that just sounds pretty, no? Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's pretty. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Doesn't smell like bananas, which I'm happy about because I don't like the smell of bananas. Okay, this is the Ico Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. This one is a very different kind of brush. And this is the Sugar Rush Tarte Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. I've actually been looking at a lot of lip oils. I'm not gonna put it on right now just because I put so many things on my lips. Look at all that. Okay. But let's get to the big box. So that was IPSY Glam Bag, and this is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, which is like bigger products, and I think you get more. And oh my god, let's see it. Okay. You guys, this is Kate Somerville. Like this, in my opinion, like this is expensive stuff. This is the Kate Somerville goat milk, interesting moisturizing cream, and I've always heard really good things about Kate Somerville. I think they have like a spa in LA. This is the Tresique, I'm pretty sure I pronounced that wrong. It's the Good Vibes mascara, curler, and lash enhancing mascara. That I like the sound of. This thing is huge. Oh, you can. Oh, okay, I get it. So it's like this. You open this, you press this down, and then it creates an up so you can curl your lashes. Brush. Interesting. Very, very cool. I'm getting so excited. It's such a good box. This is the Farah. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's the Matte Boss with a cha-ching, cha-ching. And wow, I'm not gonna try it on my lips, but I'll put it on my hand. So this is the color Tiffany. This is the color Farah. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, the second color. This is the third one, Cocoa. So here is all three. Comment down below which one you think would suit me the best. I got more brushes. I love brushes. This is again the Farah. So last month I got a lot of like bigger brushes for like my face, but these are a lot smaller. These are all different kinds. Violet Voss, I've never really heard of them, but let's see. It is a pressed pigment palette, eye palette. Actually, this is a pretty nice mirror. Pretty, huh? I really like the coral pop. I also really like the silk. If you guys usually see, I don't really do much on my eyes. Coral Peach. This one is Pretty Peach. This one is Cocoa Latte. Teddy. Champagne. Ooh, that's pretty. I got another brush. Look at this, guys. I don't really know what I would use this as a function, I guess, to like take stuff off. And all of the Glam Bag Plus stuff comes with another bag. It's just bigger. And that's it, guys. I don't know if this is the entirety of the video or if I'm gonna make it like, you know, a day in my life or a week in my life or whatever this vlog ends up being. I just wanted to share my day and open these up with you guys and make myself feel better and spread some positivity, or also just like be there for you guys. If you're sad watching this, I was there too. I hope you guys had fun watching this unboxing portion. Either I'll see you guys in the next whatever I do. Love you guys.